This is every Finnish aircraft currently in service. Stealth fighters, multi-role jets, trainers, transport aircraft, intelligence platforms, helicopters, and drones. Some represent Finland's newest capabilities, while others have served reliably for decades. First up, combat aircraft. Lockheed Martin F-35A Lightning II. This fifth-generation stealth multi-role fighter entered Finnish service in 2026 and will gradually replace the Hornet fleet. Powered by a single Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine, it reaches Mach 1.6 and carries advanced sensors, internal weapons, and Block 4 upgrades while remaining capable of operating from Finland's highway strips. Next, Boeing F-A-18C Hornet. This single-seat multi-role fighter has served as the backbone of Finland's air defense since 1995. Powered by two General Electric F-404 engines, it reaches speeds above Mach 1.7 and carries air-to-air missiles, cruise missiles, anti-ship weapons, and precision-guided bombs for a wide range of operational missions. Now this is the Boeing F-A-18D Hornet. This two-seat combat-capable variant combines advanced pilot training with frontline operational duties. Sharing the same engines, performance, and weapons as the F-A-18C, it supports tactical missions while preparing new fighter crews before both Hornet variants retire between 2028 and 2030. Next up, jet training aircraft. BAE Systems Hawk Mk-51. This two-seat advanced jet trainer entered Finnish service in 1980 as the country's lead-in fighter trainer. Powered by a Rolls-Royce Turbomka Adur 851 turbofan, it reaches speeds over 1,000 km per hour and can carry a 13 cannon pod, Sidewinder missiles, or rocket pods for advanced weapons training. Next, BAE Systems Hawk Mk-51A. This upgraded version entered service during 1993 and 1994 to replace earlier attrition losses. It retains the same airframe and Adur 851 engine as the Mk-51 while featuring improved avionics, including the Patria Cockpit 4000 glass cockpit, allowing pilots to train with more modern systems. Now this is the BAE Systems Hawk Mk-66. Acquired from the Swiss Air Force and upgraded after delivery, this advanced trainer uses the more powerful Adur 861 turbofan for improved performance. It also features the Patria Hawk Link datalink system and serves with both Finnish pilot training units and the Midnight Hawks aerobatic display team. Grob G115E. This basic piston engine trainer has served the Finnish Air Force since 2016 as the first aircraft flown by every cadet pilot. Powered by a Lycoming four-cylinder engine producing 186 horsepower, it reaches 343 kilometers per hour and features a side-by-side cockpit layout designed to ease the transition toward advanced Hawk jet trainers. Next up, special mission and transport aircraft. Gates Learjet 35AS. This specially configured twin-engine jet entered Finnish service in 1982 and performs a wide range of intelligence and support missions. Operated by the Intelligence Aviation Squadron, it conducts maritime surveillance, electronic intelligence gathering, aerial photography, atmospheric sampling, target towing, and light transport while cruising at speeds approaching 870 km per hour. Next, Pilatus PC-12NG. This single-engine turboprop transport entered service in 2010 to replace older liaison aircraft. Carrying up to 8 passengers, it operates from short and icy runways while supporting passenger transport, light cargo delivery, liaison flights, and medical evacuation missions across all 3 Finnish air commands. Now this is the Airbus C295M. This twin-engine tactical transport entered Finnish service in 2007 and is designed for military operations from semi-prepared airstrips. It can carry more than 70 troops, heavy cargo, paratroopers, or medical evacuation equipment while supporting transport, humanitarian relief, and airborne deployment missions. Next, Airbus C295 SIGINT. Based on the same transport platform, this specialized aircraft entered service in 2018 as Finland's only dedicated airborne signals intelligence platform. Its classified electronic sensor suite collects communications and electronic intelligence while supporting the Finnish Air Force Intelligence Aviation Squadron on highly specialized surveillance missions. Finally, Boeing C-17 Globemaster III. Finland accesses this strategic airlifter through NATO's Strategic Airlift Capability Program rather than owning the aircraft directly. Operating from Hungary with a multinational fleet, it provides Finland with approximately 100 flight hours each year for transporting oversized military equipment and heavy cargo worldwide. Continuing with Army Aviation helicopters, NHI NH-90TTH. This medium multi-role transport helicopter entered Finnish service in 2008 and serves with the Udde Jaeger Regiment. Powered by two RTM 322 turboshaft engines and equipped with full fly-by-wire flight controls, it carries up to 20 fully equipped soldiers while supporting tactical transport, medical evacuation, and special operations missions. Next, MD Helicopters MD-500D. This light utility helicopter entered Finnish service in 1983 and later transferred to Army Aviation in 1997. Powered by a single Allison 250C-20B turboshaft engine, it supports pilot training, liaison duties, and special operations, while its modernized cockpit extends the aircraft's operational service life. Now this is the MD Helicopters MD-500E. This improved variant features a redesigned nose and upgraded cockpit systems following modernization. Used for pilot training, liaison, and tactical support missions, it is powered by a Rolls-Royce 250 series turboshaft engine and continues serving Finland's Udde Jaeger Regiment after its planned retirement was extended. Finally, we have unmanned aerial vehicles. RUAG Ranger ADS-95. This tactical reconnaissance UAV entered Finnish service in 2001 and supports Army Aviation with intelligence, surveillance, and target acquisition missions. Launched by catapult and recovered by parachute or belly landing, it carries electro-optical, infrared, and synthetic aperture radar sensors while remaining airborne for up to 6 hours. Next, Aeronautics Orbiter B. This lightweight electric-powered mini-UAV entered Finnish service in 2012 to provide close-range tactical reconnaissance. Hand or catapult launched, it carries day and night electro-optical cameras while delivering real-time battlefield imagery to frontline units, with a fleet of 250 air vehicles supporting 55 ground control systems. Now this is the DJI Mavic Pro Platinum. Introduced into Finnish service in 2019, this compact commercial quadcopter provides rapid aerial situational awareness at the lowest tactical level. Equipped with a 4K camera, it supports infantry reconnaissance, short-range surveillance, and battlefield observation while remaining portable enough for individual soldiers to deploy quickly.